Welcome to the Tatak Natural Physique Expo 2025.
Look at me now, I'm riding on a cloud, my vibe is hitting loud, tearing it down, shaking the ground, you've been waiting for it now, the clock is counting down. Here we come, bang the drum, you don't have to wait, we're back, we're
I'm so thankful first to the athletes who trusted this competition as their debut competition for some and trusted this competition as a truly believes in a natural bodybuilding competition.
bang the drum, you don't have to wait, we're back, we're back.
Hello, I'm Hans and I'm from QC. So as a first timer, medyo hirap ako sa prep ko. Kumuha ako ng mga reliable coaches ko for this one. So I'm very happy na nakasali ako dito sa TNPX sa Tatak Talisay Natural Bodybuilding Competition.
Hi, I'm Richmond Sudario. I'm from San Pablo City, Laguna, and I would like to thank Idols Fitness Gym for making this event happen. And also, ang naging experience ko po sa pagsali sa event na to is mixed emotions kasi syempre, as a first timer na sasali sa ganitong event, sobrang overwhelming yung feelings ko. Mga sponsors ko sa gym namin, thank you sa inyo. Kundi dahil sa inyo, hindi makakarating dito. At saka sa Tatak Dalisay Expo, thank you so much po sa inyo.
So far sa competition, sobrang smooth naman ang show and sobrang ganda ng experience dito sa Tatak Dalisay and lalo sa mga bago pa lang, yan, sa mga nagsisimula, sobrang gandang stepping stone nito guys, sobrang gandang first stage and gusto ko lang din mag-shoutout syempre. Shoutout sa mga sponsor ko yan, sa MPG family and thank you so much sa Tatak Dalisay and kay Coach Kit guys, so yun, let's go!